Hello, everyone. New week, new hopes, new aspirations, and a new theme. Welcome you all to our channel, A Word a Day. Do you love traveling? Then this week is dedicated only for you. Now it's time to travel. Let's start on our journey. Our first stop is at the word pristine. Pristine, meaning in its original condition or unspoiled. Examples: the pristine beauty of Taj Mahal is unmatched. The pristine beauty of Goa is a joy for tourists. We are a small number of co passengers, so let's increase the number of passengers, share it with your friends and family, and make them a part of our journey. Let's continue our journey tomorrow. Till then, enjoy!